Hello student, welcome to the online lecture. I am Miss S.V. Jagtap from DG College of Commerce Satara. In last lecture, we have seen the methods of employee training. In this lecture, in that lecture, we have seen the on-the-job training of on-the-job training and the methods of on-the-job training. And in today's lecture, we are going to see the off-the-job training method. So first, what is mean by off-the-job training? See here, off-the-job training refers to any training that's undertaken outside the general work environment to supplement skills that will be required by employees to discharge their responsibilities. And the purpose of off-the-job training method is to provide clarity to participants on the nature of their job, their role in the organization, and the ways in which they can self-evaluate and improve their performance in different capacities. So, it is of the job training, and in this training the training that includes or involves the outside of the general work environment to supplement skills that will be required for the to discharging their responsibility or performing any role or a task. The purpose of that of the job training method is to provide clarity to participant on the nature of their work or job and their role in the organization and what task is assigned to him or her. So it is a clarity of nature of work or job, and which which can help self evaluate and improve their performance in different capacities. So these are the of the job training, and here of the job training there are five methods of the job training. First is role playing session, second is lecture method, third is case studies, after that simulation session or incident method. So first is role playing session. See, the role playing session involve throwing participant into the middle of the hypothetical situation where they have to deal with an organizational crisis or persuade client in the middle of a conflict. This session, role playing session, this session can either be structured or spontaneous. Second is here lecture. One of the most traditional of the job method is here lecture. Lecture involve seminar or lectures. The lecture are very useful way of clarifying concept and resolving doubts and engaging in moderated discussion about ideas and theories concerning one's role. So it is second of the job training method, lecture. And third is here case studies. Case studies, the cases are generally structured around one or more problems or issues faced by organization in the past or likely to be faced by them in future. So this is another method of the job training. After that, simulation session. It is almost popular among of the job method. It is based on the reproduction of the real workplace scenario, and simulation session are designed to enhance cognitive skills, particularly decision making and collaboration. And the last is incident method. Here, in this method, a real situation is created in the term of accident or incident, and the group of employees is asked to make a decision on the given issues. The group discussion is a way to take a decision on the real life situation. This is incident method. So these are the of the job training methods. Thank you.